Alright, mail call. Bubukas tayo ng package, mystery package mula sa somewhere in, saan nga to? Hong Kong? Hong Kong ba? Somewhere in Hong Kong. So, kung tama yung, yung iniisip ko, this was a Black Friday sale purchase. So, medyo matagal kasi January na dumating. It's almost the halfway, midway of January. So, okay lang din. Ganun naman talaga pag galing ng overseas. So, let's see if ito nga yun. Malalaman natin. Si LBC ang nag-handle nito locally. Ito nga. Alright, so first package contains this pair. Okay, wait lang. Hop. Oh, yung top cover muna. So it's a Crocs pair. It's the Salehi Bembury Juniper. Ayan. So this is the first time I'm gonna see this. Obviously. Uy, ganda. So guys, ito siya. Oh, mabigat pala siya. Pero gusto ko yung niya, gusto ko yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Mukhang okay to, sir. Ayan, Juniper. Ganda. So yung yung outsole niya, or actually the entire tooling is yung reminiscent dun sa Salehi Bembury Pollex Clog. Ayan o. Yung, ang tawag dito, parang fingerprint. So, okay. Let's open up the rest of the package kasi dalawang box to. Okay. Next package. Parang dapat pala inuna ko to kasi parang yung Juniper yung mas main eventer. Kasi syempre, alam ko na kung ano tong laman nito. So this is still part of the Black Friday sale sa bsponge.com, yung website kung saan binibenta yung mga Salehi Bembury goodies. So yung yung nag-release siya ng mga remaining stocks randomly from different brands. Pero puro collab niya. May Clarks, may New Balances, and of course Crocs. Kaya lang parang hirap niyang buksan At least this one, medyo challenging siyang buksan. Okay, good. So ba? Di pa. A little more. Here. Okay, good. Yan. So ito yung resibo. So yan, sponge. Be a sponge. Okay, so ito muna tayong mas maliit. Mas maliit yung isa, no? The Crocs Pollex Clog. This is the slides. So ito yung slides, guys. Mayo colorway. Ayan. It's Mayo colorway. Mayo colorway, so parang puti, ganun, or ano? Ganda. Ayan, Wow. And then, finally, another Pollex Clog. Ayan. This is the yoke. Ito yung dilaw. Ayan. Ayun. So yeah, that's the package that we have received from bsponge.com, Salehi Bembury from their Black Friday sale last, was it December or November 2024? Yun lang. Comment down what you think of the package, what you think of the Juniper, the yolk clog, and the mayo slides. Comment down below, subscribe for more.